Dr. Mercy Lakisa, Berenwali Mea Leptong District, Kathira Village, Akwankel Parish, Loy Sub-County. Abera Telanyira Mea Leptong, Chungigi National Youth Council. Abera Dahatal, specializing from Melak. Neno Peki Meti Yakina Pashu. Yo Torona Rijua Pakena Yotia Bebe Tutwala. Anna Chala Tin Pashu. Amedong Anu Yoka Noro Kidding Yech. Atamuni Ko Abin a good Kong Jome Pashudan. Warna Tikana Paul, a mobbing Guinea Campetini, a male mobilizing gay. Ebino konyo kora. Tiyo miyo kony cervical cancer screening, menyo woramon. Tiyo miyo treatment melakda. Tu menyo wang jodan. Testing wangi. Jo amedang wangi lero kiu. Tu miyo ki kiu meneno. Tu temo screening. Manusi Kosela anemia tuo mechogo. Piena Leptong district. Enda potia lanya. Ikop me si Kosel. Tama dangi piretek. Mobile kire laboratory moro ye kan. Jo pimere. Jo dangi status gi. Ningi tuo potie yakina ping. Doctors da bina popol. Jo kwano Neno Tino, Jokwano General Medicine, Neno Kop Dushimekom, Tiegenikan. Senior gynecologist, Ame specializing in Neno Monki Ken, Tiegenikan. So Peki Dushame Tie, ka penyor Tie Yakina Jo. New Pehoni Moro Tie, Amenahani Penwo, opportunity more men Adahatal, Tinwo. Potinti notie. Kien kinda ya Leptong kan. We come here pori kopikom. Lak. Ya Leptong district aloro. Utigi ni kere dana me lak. Achella ken. Da kaiti mituwod yubula hi nyo treating lahi. Nyo moro tie. Niriyae wichi chake ya bia. Chake ya dwir. Chake ya baho. Nya way. Tebulu na health center for. Demo yen Dr. Chelly. Ene Dr. Chelly do ka komedo pedo tia be nyoni kome moro late. Nudo treatment beba. Nudo konpa nuare kikano. So pick no one to know ya kina pashueno. Anatamu ni tima mokelo bala melaki. Gin ramne na gini jo tutumia Chelly wieda. Mono ko tia ko pick ya jo marme tutumia Chelly wieda. No ko dwa ko red. Me pick ke jo dikere ko pelak. Akame ya wora mon. Ingeuna ber ni chani. Kobi komsabi ko cancer tia nya tutwali ya kinawa. Ameda torwani chao kane ponu gini chawa. Unyodang gugupe me wot kana bor nye bor ping. Menungo kodi service ya. Gino tamo ni chakiti. Nagubi mede. We made that team in the community. Tino bero ka chaki mere. Trana no kita mejo binu kere joka no burra kan jo bina woro. Jo la peti atum. Joka ente apani nge burra kan. Ni gindo peti wot kanora. Gin miri no gini kony. Mano konyo jo. Teka dihi tieno unui politikan. Uneno jo dushu. Amemiro nen. Timi pa wot kanoro. Teka yele te binu kan. Uneno wo. Ne wek. Ukonyo wo. Jami dushu me kan time nono. O te chulo ginor ki ken chaki yen. Unyo kopi ko medical form. O te chulo. Kede dang man konyo wa mengi yutuo kena ti yakina ping. How nuogi ame guhupe kandang nyoni health center for peromo konyo gi. Wano bi referring gin te chwalo gi kana maram nungi ni kony upore ye. So mana ni ya yoma pia nuate timo pipashu. Amira nywali mekan. So ya yome konyo pashu. How about mia ginorishia?
Now, turn up pajama tinu binu ya kame tia duong amenyurni peki tiedanga duong itadaro. Man pe waho banya duong I chunyi.
Anni koma pabelo kere banya kien ker grupo na duch iye. Kade ker grupo nyo ko duch do iginoro. Kuningioni ya chordo Canada chordo ngi ye pichani no. Muan bala adahatal ngioni atemo tigi kana grupo na gihiye. Ento kira dela ko bukere cha. Yubu ko medical campi pabelo gina tek. Kien anda tikiri ngeshi ye tikiri worena mutimo gini tichi. So do wurmo do wurtaw chin wate di ma cha nyudu bi wera decor bo do duo wan me tigi ni bed culture ya kina pashu mejo erna ni bere wonna na da hatal penti jo kana pimugi kan iko ni woro ko rifaro li rakucha na dok pasha lingiti pete wa mo kon di ma da dogo kam ena chel do hadu kele pe ha cheli dai ko meni wor kucha wori mo kon manu lawa ko kikan tebe do kede ko me kanno tebe do mina di mi dan reto to ko no dan wori ka buru pocho so wana me to ni ginien mi da jo niech ni ber me kare ya da kai wata hatale ko na binu ko be cheki ko koma ke pima wunu kati ya ber ko culture no ko ka pun ko jo wada ti ya ber udikere jo amela ti community to me yogini niech ni kom to papa kire me go here kire anna chala da hatal da making sure di jo bichu biru kan ngara chela chel ugamo toothbrush grundo lak kire toothpaste mono muroni ko di culture no mi yobe ko yakina gi kam introducing to me lak cha her kikan so an kono anioni jo amogu gudu ni ini ponyo jo kenne so pe mi abero kire banya moro to twar.
Okay.
Dr. Brian Rushaju, the founder and director of RUN Foundation. RUN Foundation is a non-government organization standing for reaching unreached health needs. And it was formed in 2005, and we've been able to serve many communities in Uganda through community outreach clinics. These community outreach clinics are important in helping or bringing the service closer to the people because in many cases specialist clinics may not be readily available in rural setting. So you find them in national government hospitals and other private hospitals in towns. So our effort is aimed at reaching any rural community and extending specialist care services. And today we are serving, we brought dentistry where we are working on people's teeth to do extractions, to do restorations and cleaning. And the common problems I've seen here are retained roots, where people are struggling with tooth decay and the crown breaks off, and then you have a retained root that has remained. Quite a number of people here I'm seeing they have retained roots, which is a sign that they are not able to access dental services, and so they remain with the problems until the teeth break into pieces and they stay with roots. And that is not good because we know that these retained roots carry infection and sometimes granulation tissue under the root, which sometimes develops into other complications like cysts and tumors. And so our intervention here, I think, is timely to be able to remove most of these challenges that we are seeing. We've brought toothpaste, toothbrushes donated by Colgate, Palmolive, East Africa, to make sure that people get into the habit of brushing their teeth and therefore control these problems. We also have eye care clinic, ophthalmic clinic, which is looking at people's eye conditions. And so far we are seeing a lot of people with refractive errors. We have brought glasses which we are giving them as of now. It's still early to determine how many we'll be able to see per day, but I can say we've already seen people around 100 people, but we already see a lot of challenges, some which are beyond, because most of the diseases like glaucoma and the other diseases which may need surgery will not be seen here. But what we're trying to do is try to make sure people are aware of their problems, try to solve what we can do, and those who have infections and allergies, we have medication for them. But the whole point is that we are pointing them in the right direction, those who need to be referred for more assistance. And we also think we'll come back another time. Now that we understand the baseline problems, we'll be able to organize better, maybe next year, and then come and serve more better. Today we're also doing cervical cancer screening from Uganda Cancer Institute. We have a team which is checking women. I have not, because it is secretive, I've not gone there to see what is happening, but I know that quite a number of women, around 80, have already been served now, and we are of course checking HPV, and the results will be coming out shortly for us to know those who are affected and those who are not affected. Our core is that if one gets to know their problem in early stages, then early interventions can lead to proper prognosis of any of the challenges that we may see. If people delay and they do not know what is happening, and you present, you wait for complications, by the time you go, you find that if it is cancer, it is in a stage 4 and nothing much can be done. And so we think that bringing a locus team from Uganda Cancer Institute to be able to do early interventions is to make sure that if there is a problem, we catch it early. And then we're able to do interventions that will help people and save many people. And so that's our core, and we want people to get into that culture of checking early. And it was unfortunate that today we didn't bring the mammograph bus to be able to check breast cancer, but that's in plan. The next time we'll be able to do that, to bring mammograph machines, and also to be able to check prostate cancer for men, because men sometimes also are not over 40. They're supposed to be checking, but you find many people, because they may not access this service, they don't take it into consideration. And so we look forward to more engagements and being able to come back and with more services that we can offer. We have a sickle cell clinic, and this sickle cell clinic is also helping. We're meant to understand that Lepton is leading in this disease burden, and already there are children that have tentative results that are indicative of sickle cell disease. We'll send these samples to Kampala for more tests, confirmatory tests. But we see that all these are important things to be able to identify when it is still early. And more core to actually even sensitize the community, so that the community knows, if I'm a carrier of a sickle cell, I should be careful when I'm going to marry, for example. So you need to check and the partner you're going to have, so that you control. Because if you're a carrier and you marry another carrier, then you're going to have children who have sickle cell. So it is good that if you're a carrier, at least you marry somebody who is not a carrier. So all this is we are checking, we are advising, but also we believe this is going to go a long way in creating awareness for people to know, to take their own health into their own hands and be in charge. Of course, we have general clinics which are looking at other general conditions that people have, and we know that yes, these services may be available, but enough, adequately serve the whole population. And so with this struggle, you may have the infrastructure in terms of the health center, but you may be having challenges of drugs and also challenges of healthcare workers. So all these limitations can bring frustration in the delivery of the service. And so when people hear that there is a free service, they want to come and have an alternative to also maybe what has been happening, but also to meet, because also when we come with specialists. So these specialists, so people are coming to tap into the specialists, okay? The health center for may not be able to have consultants. Consultants are found at regional hospitals and national level. But we have consultants here. So these consultants, it means people are going to benefit from services which may not be at the health delivery point. So I think that those can be factors that maybe that have created this situation where we have many people.
Town Council. Tinini ene Town Council ma leptong Mayor's Garden otike the health camp ametia waranyim. Mo chakre tin aber pinina reo. Ngata ma okelo health camp obero Dr. Masila Lakisa enamo leading enamo initiating health camp man. Ana chala tela angeo achako ngiyo health campi social media but our macha ente bino borame penyo ground. At a company, please you welcome. Mayor's Garden is an open place, is for the public. Bini team health campikan and teen in jotie. So ana receiving jo ana program tia waranyim. Progress me health camp man aneno tia ber bora achala tela ateka. Achiel otike de categories me otua mo bino from all over the district. Yo ya pala, yo ya abajo, yo ya moro, yo ya loy, dujutikan. And almost 70% of the mon me joat metikan, 70 to 80% of the mon ena metikan. Categories me tu kanu chakre lak, wang, keri donga tek kere almost 80% yo adokti kanu beru iwora mon. But yom pieni ya kinagi utiu testing dang sickle cell. Me anachala stela me aleptong in a loa Uganda issue me sickle cell. Yom mi jona ti positive me bo pimere. Do atia kwa yu bully me aleptong ni aput pe nyomere kai wori rate keda woti to pimun ko sickle cell pientie eni nya sickle cell ti abere manno. But impact me health campi tia be piraneno tia konyo kor our district health center 4 ameti borra Canada tia acting a chalo district hospital wano tikere health center 4 ameti Leptong Town Council utuo ti bini ye catchment areas wa uya amuria joma amuria bino kan joma tuwe bino kan joma bar bino kan ame nuone gufu me tuo law el center foko me danga chala tela da atia kwa yogamente ni lifting level me el center forwa dohe district hospital oloto ramokonyo omia neno alternative me Dr. Masila Kesotimoni tia konyo kor el center forwa ni kay neno kita luak tiu bino kede kani ama kwa ne ka do no ramo bedu meddo ko di tichebeda mani oloto jowanu treatment kede yot koma be bad borlo akame Leptong district yot kom chakari pachur wan miro neni environment wa tia chil komidang tia chil pachuni buri bedi yedang tia chil marimo tuo ko ametie but mario kodi chema wana chamu pachu remo dang tuo ye un kodi chema ma chamu me adekere o matimuno exercise Mari mo tuwe ateta ko kede magi kimere oru ni dakatal dang komi ya no kadi komi pelit I wor mo penyini ke wori pimma remo nani ori pima kon ka tikiri gi malaria nyope woro ko pimere kom non pressure ni diabetes ami ngiyo kitikede ami okwa rawo beda yot so a concluding the health camp ametieni tia konyo lwaka bera teka boyo
okay yo la ti sa gane elsewhere abino camp me Dr. Mashi Lakisha oyabe ya lepton ano no atiki de pejo me wanga tek amonu pe akwano ginorang pe nenu ginora bo ento pikisa mo ba ke richin Lakisha omi tinini anu glass me kwan na me akwano ke di bible me konya glass ni da enien ameti a plus 200 man unyuto ko kan lero ba karangyo dano ni kadana ti peho ni mo kana peho ti na mi akubi kadu ni tikin pasho kai nu ni ka kanaro ti rem nen ko na da tal ti mawe konyi ame pero ngo tuoni nya te dang da hotel mo nena ko ni mero ni put pe racha tek pie na ngo o mi amiyo pocha duong tutwal bang Dr. Lakisha dang podetia medde me chwake ni mo ba mi yot ko medde ku di kubere ni nakana dang anyimere itaman kena amiti enang bed ba Dr. Achengu chiro ya leptonkan mewe kon luak me Uganda anta kardishu la subdivision alo manen kwa chana kwa yo ni putoba ni med anyima tini bedale kashi wangoro tamer moro binu metamoni e kon luak long me parliament achwa ko ana beda rak kira ku job
okay pap maybe otero kara la chin pen wo ko di kon me kioni ngo ti mer mi nu pera onu kon i kar ja de nu do tinni ni twal
pien kana mira wori atira no pe a woru kan ku dia welle wang tek to twal dan kiu menuongo pe oberu ginora yot ento tini ni ana nu ko mo no na bon ka bon chularo konya mengo Lakisha konya akene
okay
ya kora ko se ko sub country anena bio country ko pe kom wang taken a long time nu konya ko karana wi ni kampa peratie kona bini chunye tem we chunye tem and actually reality I bet among the first 5 no treatment na chelo ko baka na pero na tie ni aya ko pe ko di kwan kiura ete yo nya those things pe no dana moro anagre no pange but actually I'm so impressed I'm so impressed in my temo and many people may be na mino kon ban kai kopi kom wang I especially lira abito me chigi wakina pole la pe so mi pole jo ma pole wa left down to this opportunity en nungu dar me wang petie dakara kwa data alwani pero mani kitiamo keno keneni so kanu twere en kope department e wang me la kanene yo bina policia no le amiro kele waka yeah so anakale po queen yo me biro can do they are very cooperative pushing at pay people are very orderly so I'm going a very grateful man. That's my position.
Ayayo kwa vile nakadala wa left on town council. Ikonya me antina nuo ikom program ame masukelo. Obero metuan yom chuny boro kato kare. Pero por kere kit konyor ki kena mana habina neni ya leptang. Menu mudana tidi. Amobero doctor. Ame oye jalo chunye. Tene no ni kai cha hagwa ko yot komu nywali meka beren yaye. Anu ni obero tuan gina pere tek matek. Piana na habin ngato report pote mana tenendo kit konya metina na nuo. Abero lole kara raj I rem pola monu ana tikere to ngatra ramo gamma pe awor na halera anu doctor tikana bor eru tini ni ya yom pien doctor tuni ya leptang dang nuo te ko boni konya na nuo akwe yuchunya pien konya ngo me nuo ni ko opima ikome dogi wora te yom ya
eto me pena bere wor ento mano bere chelina be piena titura pe hawana nuo hawana tikere te der kan kon kaw tikere goro konya me miro konya tira te pedie ina neno din ame nyak ni otam ni miro bina konya emi wa konya ra kwa fi komwa yen komwa ni yen miro konya adong gina eno tim tin uyomo ya Pedan kena yomo yijo dusu.
Ini nu konya beru nengo kere nu nyo ko di pehang ngo yeling pikaram kwene no.
Peha manu tie yella. Uyela me ramu dua chel. Aya war klinik. Uteko bani kape upima. Ya jami ya kon. Ento da teten mi pima. Wa hata nu konya me ya ikoma en dutina bino kan te choy ning tuona te mi ya yat en no ken gir pan mo man pa ngole kop anu ya fa chel en ta de ki petie
okay okay nyo tikere koporo bota gamente ko pena utadaro ber ko ni gamente chwalo konya te peramo jo textual chalo ngata me oteguri ngoyin tamni gamente no mi tempio te der me mi gi nu ko ndu
konya mi wan nu wan te der ba wan ja don di en jo ter wan konya pe wan to konya gamente mi konya tira te ka tunu pin kan jo ne wa ba konya pe en pe wan nu I borwa yo te der wan jo tego ba man jo tia gamo bi kan ko dingo yo tego o quer wa con wan yo piera biro wan pulu tino kun hu wan na mi to konyo me mi konyo kere kar wa da do ro me mi konyo
no quiero mera o ba no quiero mera ay mas yo ba no quiero mera o ba no quiero mera pinina berneo imasi o ba no quiero mera o ba no quiero mera pinina bertio imasi o ba no quiero mera o ba no quiero mera iyale tong wara jolo wewa iyale tong da po birni ay masi o ba no quiero mera o ba no quiero mera ay masi o ba no quiero mera o ba no quiero mera pinina berneo imasi o ba no quiero mera o ba no quiero mera pinina bertio imasi o ba no quiero mera o ba no quiero mera yo kamalu imasi yinete titi yo kamalu imasi yinete titi medikiti o pobiruni yale tong dang ti akong ay imasi o ba no quiero mera o ba no quiero mera ay imasi o ba no quiero mera o ba no quiero mera pinera borineno imasi o ba no quiero mera pinina bertio imasi o ba no quiero mera yo kamalu imasi yinete titi yo kamalu imasi yinete titi you were late on to see you all coming to the ceremony. We have gone prayer to see you all coming to the ceremony. Welcome, Easter. welcome visitors, welcome, welcome visitors, welcome, welcome visitors, welcome to meet us all. We have a pleasure to see you all coming to the ceremony. We have a pleasure to see you all coming to the ceremony. Welcome, Mercy. Welcome, welcome, Mercy. Welcome, welcome, Mercy. Welcome to me and Lebron. Welcome, Mercy. Welcome, welcome, Mercy. Welcome, welcome, Mercy. Welcome to me and Lebron.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.